Hi again. Lovely to be back with you, and no, I don't think I'll apologize for missing this video, which should have come to you on Saturday because I was very busy with my grandchildren. So even though I'm sorry I didn't get you a video, I am not sorry that I didn't get it to you on Saturday. Do you get what I mean? So what was I going to show you on Saturday? I'll show you in a minute. Before I show you that, my cheapy laundry basket that I've had for it's got to be about 9 years. The baby got hold of it, banged it on the floor, so it's coming apart in places. Most people would just, look at that, see, it's coming apart in places. Most people would just chuck it. I am going to have a go at weaving some strips of fabric through it to see if I can do a kind of make do and mend thing with it, just as an experiment. So I will show you that as soon as I can, hopefully by the end of the week, but I'm not making any promises because obviously I tried to do that last week and it backfired on me. So I am going to do this and I'll let you know when I've got it done and if it actually works. Back to this, I got this last week that we ordered as part of our winter preparations, and specifically preparations for in case, like our winter prepping preparations, in case we it moves on from just 3 hours a couple of times a week of blackouts and we end up having to cook something or even bake bread outdoors. I ordered and got my Dutch oven. It is so heavy. It is so heavy. It's cast iron. It's supposed to be pre-seasoned already, so we'll see about that. Okay, so definitely read the instructions. I don't use cast iron, so I wouldn't. Oh, got a bag. This is not a sponsored video. I am not sponsored to do this. I do not get paid for it. I just bought it and I thought I'd show you one of my winter. Okay, that's handy. It's a bag to store it in. However, this being a tiny house, really, even in the bag, I'll need somewhere to put it. And I don't have a blooming clue where in this house I am going to store a cast iron Dutch oven, and I can't put that on the hob, it'll break because it is very heavy and very hard. Yeah, that's the average pot size I use for making soups and stews, and looks like a good enough size for a 500-gram loaf of bread. Feels a bit rough to me. I don't see how I think that should still be seasoned again. I know they said it's seasoned, but so I need to learn how to look after cast iron because I'm not quite sure how to do that properly. So I shall read the instructions. So anyway, that can go on a rock stove, and that can go be used as a frying pan, I think, and this can go on the top. And you can put your hot coals on the top. Yeah, you can put your hot coals on the top on the lid so that you've got even heat top and bottom. So it'll be interesting to see how that works, making bread and such like, or putting dumplings on top of a stew and having the coals on top, or the wood, the charcoal on top to keep the heat in. So yeah, I'm not familiar with that brand. Oh. Yep. So that can act as a pan as well as a lid. And then putting coals on the top makes it act like an oven. So there you go. we shall be putting that to practice soon to make sure we know how to use it, maintain it, and then when we do need to use it, we'll be prepared. And I'll remind myself how to take care of it and clean it and re-season it. Another day I shall test that one out. I'll show you how we get on with that one when we do. Not right now though. I've been traveling today, so I'm kind of tired. You'll only get this video tomorrow, which when you get it will be today. I'm not so sure about the sewing on that. Yeah. Sorry, I got a cold. A nasty cold. Did test, not COVID, just a bug. Oh, fits nicely. There you go. And there are accessories you can buy to go with this stuff, so if I ever think I need it, I'll get it. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. So it'll be tidy, put away. And I'll have to put it away carefully, so it's not found by little hands. Because it could hurt toes if it falls on little toes. Yeah, there you go. One more bit of winter preparation done. Well, almost. I need to test it out and try it to make sure I know how to use it, because I've never used cast iron before. There you go. I'm excited. Another little bit of winter prepping done. Hopefully I don't need to use it, but if I do, I know I've got a backup. Peace of mind thing, isn't it? It's there in a measure, and I could just use it in the summer or any other time just because I have it. I don't need to keep it for emergency situations. I could use it whenever I like, I'm sure. Yeah, it doesn't have to be for prepping only. It could be for anything. I might just like using it so much that I give up completely on getting an oven. Now, I don't think I'm going to be standing outdoors cooking on a fire when it's peeing down with rain and howling wind. I don't think I'd even get a fire lit. So I'm going to get some bricks. One of family's neighbours have got a pile of bricks. And they said we could have the bricks, so I will get some bricks and I'm going to build a rocket stove for this and other pots to stand on the top. Yeah, so that I will show you as well when I get round to that. No promises when, but just to keep popping in and looking when we've got that done. Also, quickly before I go, because it's only just a short little video today, before I go, thank you so much and very welcome to the new subscribers. We seem to have had quite a lot in just the last 24 hours. 11 new subscribers in 24 hours. For me, that's a record. Oh, I keep touching the microphone. Sorry. Right, so thank you so much for subscribing. It's really appreciated. If you haven't seen many of the other videos yet, do have a look. There's over 300 videos. Like it, push that like button, and if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when I do post a video you will know about it, because it'll give you a notification. That stair curtain, I have got to get that stairwell curtain done today. I'll show that to you when that's done as well. Anyway, it's a self-reliance week this week, so yeah, I think I need to share with you what's been going on in my mind. Anyway, there's a lot going on in my head, and hopefully find you all well and happy and healthy and getting prepared by the next video. Take care, folks. I'll speak to you soon.